Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about this really cool little locker and Minnie Mouse little bag. This is an awesome set. It's a little locker with a little lock on it. It's a Minnie Mouse and Disney branded. So I wanted to show you what it looks like out of the box. I'm going to do an opening and we're going to show you what it looks like. And this is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this myself. I wanted to show you what it looks like. So let's pull everything out. Let me just show you. So what is in the package? All right, move the box out of the way. Let me show you exactly what's in here so you can see everything very clearly. So what comes in this little package is really cute. It comes with a little locker, which is super awesome. It's all pink, as you can see here. And it comes with a little bag. There's a little bag here, as you can see, a little Minnie Mouse bag with a little zipper that you can unzipper very easily. And inside here does come a little hold up a backpack, a little pink grommet or whatever this is, a little clip here that you can put on a backpack for the kids. The kids love that. It goes in a backpack, and that's what's in here. Or you can carry it around like a little bag. And that's what's in here, which is really, and it's made out of plastic, as you can see here. Really cute. It's got little sparklies in it, and it's really nice quality, very well built. And I love the locker. The locker has a little padlock on it. The little padlock does lock, but it's not like a real lock. It just like goes back and forth, which is really cute. You just turn it this way, and it locks it. And unlock it, just turn like that, and it unlocks. It's very simple, easy to use mechanism. And the locker is really cute. And here is a locker. This is what it looks like. It's got all these little shelves and little stickers and stuff that you can decorate the locker with, which is cool. And you get this little card that goes inside. So you just set this up inside. You just pop it inside here, and that gives you the backdrop like that. That goes inside here. And this is pretty much everything that's included. So it has like a little shelf. It's really cute. It's around about 12 inches tall, about maybe 5 inches wide. It's really adorable. They're gonna love it. It has all the looks all around, all plastic. You can see here, very nice. This is for 6+, just so you know, for the age group. So 6+ is for sure. And it comes with a little pencil, some little stickers, and a couple of shelves, so you can decorate the locker yourself and get it all ready to go. So this is what it looks like. Absolutely, as they say, super cute. Lock this up, close it up, and then the kids have a little locker of their own. There we go. That is locked. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed the review.